Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the spectrum of coronary artery disease. There are the silent ischemia, chronic stable angina, acute coronary syndrome, unstable angina. The acute coronary syndromes are no ST elevations, NSTMI, unstable angina, ST elevations, NQMI, QWMI, myocardial infarction. Clinical presentation of the CHD depend on age and gender. Women's angina is most common first cardiac heart disease event followed by the MI. Men MI is the most common first event followed by the angina. Sudden cardiac death is not uncommon. Acute myocardial infarctions, one of the most common diagnoses in the hospitalized patient in industrialized nations. Mortality of the acute MI is 30% and one half of these deaths occur before hospitalization. Mortality after admission has decreased by 30% in last 2 decades and 1 in 25.4% who survive till hospital discharge die within 1 year. Improvement in the mortality, bed rest 30%, 13 to 15 defibrillations and the hemodynamic monitoring, beta blockade and 5 to 6.5% is aspirin, PTCA, lysis. Improvement in the mortality. Pathogenesis, there are the pathophysiology. AMI result when the thrombus occlusion non-occlusive development at the site of the ruptural plaque. Vulnerable plaque is the rupture, coagulation, cascade activation, platelet adhesions, activation, aggregation, fibrin and platelet clot, coronary occlusion MI. There is spectrum of the acute coronary syndrome, hematological finding in the Q wave, AMI, angiographic thrombus, increase FPA and the AT activation platelet, acute coronary occlusion mortality. Amount of the myocardial damage depend upon the tertiary supplied by the occluded vessels, collateral circulations, duration of occlusion, partial total occlusions, and oxygen demand of the jeopardized myocardium. The chest pain most common similar to the anginal pain but more severe and the prolonged described as the severe crushing squeezing pressure the worst pain ever. The chest pain may be absent in the point when the DM or in the elderly. Atypical presentations, confusion and the profound weakness, arrhythmia. Differential diagnosis, the pericarditis, pulmonary embolism, pneumothorax, aortic dissection, esophageal spasm. Examination by anxiety, pallor, restlessness and the substernal chest pain with the diaphoresis is strongly suggestive of the AMI. Those with the anterior MI may have the sympathetic overactivity whereas those with the inferior MI may have the parasympathetic activity. Laboratory finding EKG is specific but intensive tool for the diagnosis of the myocardial ischemia. Total occlusions of the infarct related artery leads to the ST elevations, STEME, subsequent elevations of the Q waves, partial occlusions, early canalizations, reach collateral. Serum cardiac the maker release into the circulation